Hello everybody, this is Jeff at etrailer.com. Today we're going to take a look at this Derale 12 volt 28-inch dual tornado electric fan assembly. Now belt driven fans will use up power from your engine to turn, and electric fans do not, so it removes any unnecessary load and increasing both fuel economy and horsepower. In addition, you do not have to worry about an electric fan slowing down at low RPM as many of the belt driven fans do, so you're guaranteed sufficient airflow regardless of the vehicle's speed. Now before purchasing an electric fan like this, be sure to determine the CFM, which is the cubic feet per minute requirements that are for your engine. And remember, engines that have been modified or vehicles often used for towing may require additional cubic feet per minute. Now on this fan here, the maximum cubic feet per minute is 880 per fan, so a total of 1760. Now there is no limit on the number of fans you can install as long as they all fit appropriately and that they're all mounted on the same side of your radiator so that they don't cancel each other out. Now for this dual fan here, there's two types of turn-on sources that are available for this fan. They offer a Derale lighted on and off switch for electric fans. We do sell that separately on our website. It's part number D16740, and that switch will allow for manual control of the fan so that you can choose when to turn it on or off. And it's usually listed on this product page as a related product. The other way, there's thermostatic controls, which will send a signal to the fan, directing it to shut off when the fluid temperatures reach an appropriate level, and it saves on power. So once the temperature climbs again and additional cooling is needed, the fan will automatically turn back on. Now the thermostat switches can be either a single stage with preset temperatures or adjustable. There are many different thermostat switches that are available, and again, we do sell those separately on our website. Now these fans will increase your fuel economy, horsepower, and torque, improves overall performance, has a nice patented ultra quiet skew blade design. You can see you can hardly hear them. And the diameter on each fan is 12 inches. If I flip it around so you can see the back here, it does use reliable, efficient, high torque motors back here for each fan. And this can be mounted on either side of the radiator as either a pusher or a puller with no loss of airflow. Now this does come from the factory set up as a puller application. It does come with some directions that if you want to change it to a pusher, it'll tell you how to do that. It does include the sturdy powder coated metal mounting brackets you can see up here at the top and at the bottom. This part is made in the USA. And just to give you some dimensions, the overall width, it is adjustable. There's two brackets up here and two on the bottom, and these bolts can be loosened and they can be slid back and forth. So the overall width will range from 27 3/4 inches all the way to 33.5 inches wide. The overall height from the bottom to the very top is 14 inches tall, and the depth when this is installed from the front to the very back is only about 2.5 inches deep. But that should do it for the review on the Derale 12 volt 28-inch dual tornado electric fan assembly.